Kim Chiu at big winner na si Piang, parehong tumanggap ng parangal.
My mommy, daddy, to my family, my friends.
Sa kasalukuyang nagaganap na PMPC Star Awards ngayong gabi, ay kabilang naman sa tumanggap ng award bilang representative ng Pinoy Big Brother si Kim Chiu, habang ang big winner naman na si Piang Smith ay tinanggap din ang kanyang kauna-unahang award na Female TV Personality Award. Nagbigay din sila ng kanilang acceptance speech. Di rin nakalimutan ni Piang si JM.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to PNPC. Maraming salamat po sa tiwalang binigay niya sa akin. To my mommy, daddy, to my family, my friends, my fans, Direct Lauren, and Star Magic family. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang paggabay sa akin at sa inyong suporta. At syempre, hindi ko po pwedeng kalimutan. Maraming salamat din po, Jen Ibarra. Sa pag-support sa akin since day one, and always remember who did, God did. Thank you.
Ito ba? Yung... Ayan, magandang gabi! Oh, to the L to the G! Nanalo ang PBB! Pero in behalf of Ate Bianca, Melay, Enchong, Robbie, Alexa, maraming salamat po for always supporting Pinoy Big Brother. Ito po talaga ang kwento ng totoong buhay, and we're very thankful sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin. Lalo na may bago kaming bahay na nasa GMA 7.
As I was saying, maraming salamat. Napakalaking karangalan yung Hall of Fame. No? We're accepting this award not just for those who are currently on stage. No? Because our show is 26 years old. No? I think we're the longest running public affairs show on television. And so many talented, dedicated people who have been part of this show. And I can't remember all of their names. I'll just run through a quick lineup of at least some of the co-hosts that have been part of the show. The late Mike Enriquez was one of the first hosts. Si Luchi Cruz Valdez, thank you so much. Thank you, Mike. Checha Lazaro was also part of the show. Jessica Soho, Vicky Morales, Sandra Aguinaldo,